John Cook with Utility Service Agency. Do you have problems with water in your bucket, or do you have trouble with water getting on top of your bucket cover? We got your solution. Estex Manufacturing out of Atlanta, Georgia has a corrugated board that they put on the inside of a heat sealed solution, measured up specifically for your own bucket. Cinch it down, keeps the water from getting into your bucket and having a problem where you have a chunk of ice flying off on the car behind you, or the same trouble you just saw. Call your USA representative for more information.